and Juju's in the craft room. Come and see, it's Mama Juju crafting, chatting full of glee, playing her day away in her own.
Hey, my chickadees, welcome back to the Back 40. Okay, it is Margaret Miller Weekly Collage Challenge time again. And this is for week 14. We have a sunset, a pair of shoes, a floral motif, a piece of aluminum like from a candy wrapper, and then bonus is a rubber stamping. And the one I did not do was the crossword puzzle. Okay, so what I did was I took my piece of paper here and I put down my bugles for the candy wrapper piece. Then there's the sunset. Here's a campfire with a pair of shoes beside it. And this is the rubber stamping is here. And there's some behind here as well. And then over here on the side. And then I have the flower motif. And I cut these out. And I thought I would just glue them here and then cut around it. Or fold it to the inside. I hope y'all are doing good tonight. I had to refix my stuff. I hope this video is going good because, you know, it's, what that's gesso. I'm just going to gesso that down there. Oh, let's open this up. Y'all, I got this a while ago and I haven't done anything, used it. It's been sitting up on a shelf. I probably need to stir it. It is a the Ranger. Yeah, the Ranger Medium Matte. And I just been kind of hoarding it. Don't ask me why. Why I have been hoarding this, I can't tell you. I don't know. It's crazy. I've got several things I'm going to play with that I've been hoarding. I'm like, why? You buy it, like the texture paste and stuff. I mean, what kind of sense does that make, y'all? Just tell me. What kind of sense? That makes no sense. Just none. Absolutely, positively none. So I'm going to take some of this, put on here. I usually use my Nana's glue, but I thought, I'm using my Nana's glue, and I have this, and I'm just hoarding it. And I'm doing all that Mixed Media stuff on this 100-day trial thing. I mean, 100-day trial. Yeah, I'm on trial for 100 days. This 100-day challenge. And I could be using this matte medium. Was I? Nope, I was not. Crazy. That's just some cray stuff. I think I want to put it like this. Well, I really don't want it across my bugles. Maybe like that. Yeah. There we go. And then we'll turn this to the inside here. Because that will look really cute going across the inside of that page. There we go. Put this here. If y'all hear my son, I'm sorry. Life is going on this back 40. And I told him that I was recording a video. And he said, okay. And off he goes doing his thing. Okay, there we go. Let me put that up because I am going to make a mess with it. Sure as the world, y'all know I'm going to make a mess. Okay, that is our Margaret Miller Weekly Collage, week 14. And I'm going to try to do some recorded videos. I've been doing these 100-day lives at night, every night, between 9:30 and 10 o'clock. And I've been trying to shoot for 10 o'clock. And it's just taking a toll on me as far as having time to do the videos and stuff. I'm just not a professional YouTuber or nothing. And, you know, it's just, ooh, hats off to you ladies that can do all that. I'm just telling you. Hats off to you. All right, now, I want to show you For those that hadn't been watching the live, this is our new journal that we made. Because, and I'm going to do a flip through of our other one. The other art journal that I've been having, putting everything in, it's so full, I can't even hardly pick it up. So I had to do something else, because we had to make a new one. Let's see, where do we want to add this sheet? Lord, I'm trying to find what, oh, right here on this short page. We'll add it right to the back of that short page like that. Let's try this matte medium. This is the first time, I'm really using this one. I've used it for cover, but not really so much for gluing down. I've, used it for covering up stuff. But let's see how it does. Let's put it to the test, why don't we? I better cover it up, because I've been... Make sure I get that page in there right. Alright, but this is the one that we made, and it is, oh, got the corner. It is out of a brown paper bag, and it's like a little purse journal. I put the straps back on it. There we go. All right, there we have it, and then we're going to put this on here. And I thought I left a little spot right here. I did. There we go. Put it on that medium. I just push this up. And pull that down so it won't stick up in there. Alright, there we go. But it's the one that lays flat. There's the signatures, and it has the signatures glued together at the front, so it always lays flat when you open it up, no matter where you open it up. Okay, so that's the one that we started working in this month. This journal. This is a journal that we were using in January. January, February, March. 3 months. Right at the 1st of April, we decided that it was just too thick for me to do nothing else with. So, and this is the one that I put all the Margaret Miller stuff in for the first of the year. And all of our challenges, stuff that we've been doing for the first of the year, and our extra little art projects and stuff that we've been doing. So I'm just going to kind of do a little flip through here. Little glue book and stuff that we've done. I'm going to try not to talk about them. Just kind of do a little flip. It's got all kind of little goodies in it. I mean, she was just busting a gut here. She was almost as fat as Bubba Tina. And we haven't, and that one's just so cute to me. I see, nothing in journaling is a mistake. Doesn't that look like a Jaws thing coming out of there? That used to be a mouth with some lips. I'm just saying, you mess something up, you can fix it. You can always fix it into something else, and nobody will ever know that's not what you intended. That's the Mamigami. That's a paper clip. This is just the cutest thing to me. This is cute. That little flap opens up. It's a journaling card. And the little butterfly opens up. Oh, well, it did. Oh, oh, oh. I can't get it down. My gun got glued down. The little window opened up. I done glued it down. Haha, that's cute. That's big butt granny. Oh, wait, that tickled me. This thing is just full of surprises. Tell you, I have had lots of fun. This is a fun page. This, you cut a slice on top, and the journaling card pulls out and loops over on both sides. That's a fun page. This is fun. The middle of the signature, and then the stuff around it adds to the picture. The cool. It was a break it. This was from Treasure Books when she did her cake stacking thing. Oh, yeah, that does. Oh, it's a pocket. I thought it was a thing. This is cute. That's a card, and it has a pocket hidden there with the belly band. There's a tuck spot pocket there. And there's a pocket back here. And a little dangly down here. That's sweet. And ditty. Just nothing else we need to say about that. That's a pocket, and that's a pocket. That's a pocket with a little tags in it, right out of a paper bag. That is a paper bag. That's the bottom of the paper bag. First time I was drawing. This I made with Miss Mayer, that and this one. I think I posted that on the community, well, the post page. That is awesome. That was a prompt. Margaret Miller prompt. Embrace the madness. That's a big tall tag. Journaling card. This is a journaling card. Tea time. That's a wraparound junk mail pocket. Margaret Miller. This one is my busted pocket. well, I'm sorry, my busted page, because I did not make a pocket out of it. Nope, it's just a busted page. And then this is a flip up journaling spot with a pocket behind the busted page, because you make all that together. And then this is a envelope. You can put something in it. I just stuck a little card down in it and a little bird. This was documenting my baby's birthday on a journaling card. And then we made some journaling cards here. Big tall tags. Some painty papers. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pocket, book page pocket, but I just glued it down so it turned it into a 4 pocket. 1 pocket here, 1 pocket here, 1 pocket here, 1 pocket back behind there. That is cute. Sweet. And that was a Margaret Miller. This one pulls out. And we did that on live. And then on this side it pulls out. This was a challenge. This one's here, and that is stick. There we go. That's a little tag. That was a challenge that we did, and this is the one that Stella Bug did. You got to put all those prompts on something, so that's the one that she did. That's a fabric flip. Back of a junk journal, and it flips out and over. And that's the back one with the tag. And then the journaling cards that we did with Miss Mary. And a textured one. Oh, okay, that's my super tip colors. I probably need to keep that out. And then that is, my son gave that to me off his birthday present, so I stuck it in here. And that's one of our painting papers, and it makes a pocket here, little secret pocket there. And then on the back, we made a pocket out of it. Have our little journaling card in there. And that's the little doggy Mama gave me. So put it in there with the little coat, Mitra stuff. And that is it. So we put this one on the shelf, and we've started on that new chicken one for the rest of the year. Let's see how long that one will fill up, how fast and how long we can get it. We just started, so hopefully we have some time. Okay, I hope you enjoyed that, and I'll see you on the next go round. Bye.